Did you know this is a 1930s AI bot, similar to ChatGPT? So it started like this. Imagine a world where machines could think, learn, and even outsmart humans. It sounds like science fiction, right? But in 1956, this vision became a reality. Let's uncover the origins of artificial intelligence. The idea of intelligent machines dates back centuries, from ancient myths to early mechanical inventions. But the real revolution began in the 20th century. In the 1930s and 40s, British mathematician Alan Turing laid the foundation with his work on computation and machine intelligence. His famous Turing test in 1950 questioned whether machines could think like humans. But the official birth of AI happened in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. Scientists like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon came together to explore the idea that machines could simulate human intelligence. And that's where the term artificial intelligence was first stated. This moment sparked a new era of research, leading to early AI programs like the first neural networks and chess-playing computers. From those early days to now, AI has transformed the world. What started as an academic discussion is now shaping our daily lives. And this is just the beginning. Where do you think AI will take us next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech stories.